Sloths spend their days in the treetops, barely moving. Blame their lethargy on their incredibly low metabolic rate. That slow metabolism means they only need a few leaves and twigs for nutrition. According to National Geographic, they crawl at a breakneck pace of 1 foot per minute, moving so slowly that algae grows on their coats. Although a sloth's locomotion seems similar to other mammals, German zoologists found that their anatomical structure is quite different. They have very long arms but very short shoulder blades. That gives them a large reach without much moving, allowing them to save energy while making the same movements as other animals.